discovering the beauty of Kashmir, the best time to visit. With its rolling hills, pristine lakes, and stunning snow-covered landscapes, it is no wonder that Kashmir has long been touted as one of the most beautiful destinations in India. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventurer, or simply someone seeking peace and tranquility, Kashmir has something for everyone. But when is the best time to visit this stunning region? Season timing: summer May to July, autumn August to October, winter November to February, spring March to April. Timing of Kashmir's seasons. If you're looking for a break from the scorching summer heat, then Kashmir is the perfect escape. This is the perfect time to take a leisurely stroll along the shores of Dal Lake, or go on a leisurely picnic in the hills. And for those who crave adventure, there are plenty of outdoor activities to enjoy, including hiking, fishing, and even rafting. The beauty of autumn: witnessing the colors of Kashmir. Autumn is arguably one of the best times to visit Kashmir. This is the time when the valley is ablaze with colors, and the rolling hills are dotted with orange leaves and rolling mist. If you're a fan of nature, this is the perfect time to visit and soak in the beauty of the region. From long walks in the hills to exploring the charming villages of Pahalgam, there's plenty to see and do. Winter is a magical time to visit Kashmir, with its snow-covered landscapes and crisp, cold air. Whether you're a fan of extreme sports or simply love to bask in the beauty of winter, there's plenty to do and see in Kashmir. From skiing and snowboarding in the hills of Sonmarg, Gulmarg to witnessing the snowfall in the valley, this is the perfect time for an adventure. Spring splendor: enjoying the beauty of Kashmir in the new year. Spring is the time when Kashmir comes to life after the long, cold winter. With its warm weather and blooming flowers, this is the perfect time to explore the valley and take in its natural beauty. Whether you're taking a leisurely boat ride on Dal Lake or admiring the cherry blossoms in Srinagar, there's plenty to see and do. And with temperatures hovering around the mid-20s, you'll be able to enjoy the great outdoors beauty. Kashmir is the perfect getaway from the scorching heat of other parts of India. This makes it the perfect destination for adventure sports like skiing. The orange-yellow leaves falling from the trees, the misty air, and the warm temperature make it the perfect time to visit. You may feel like you're in Europe with its picturesque landscape, and that's exactly what makes it so special. Pahalgam, perfect for camping and hill visits. The Himalayas, floating spice markets, and the snow-covered hills are just some of the things that make Kashmir so special. The autumn season, in particular, is a time when the orange roads are covered in fallen leaves, and you can't help but feel inspired to write poetry or fall in love. In conclusion, Kashmir is a place like no other, with its stunning natural beauty and unique culture, making it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to India. For more travel and tours-related information, subscribe WhiteSandTrip. Thank you.